Morning. This is our first day in Tokyo on our 3-week adventure. We're starting the day off with taking Tammy to her favorite place, Traveler's Factory. And then later on in the video, we have the Kokufu 100th Anniversary Bonsai exhibit. So we're looking forward to that. And then later in the video, I think tomorrow night, Tammy's going to be staying in a Capsule hotel. So you want to hang around for that.
Yeah, so I was thinking they also have a tuna and mayonnaise and egg salad combo. Tuna salad. Oh, this is tuna salad, ham lettuce, egg and sauce.
Grab me one as well.
Which one? I'm going to try this one and then you can have this one.
Okay.
Let me get into drink. I guess that's like stuff on sale. Okay. Coffee. Oh, here's the Coca-Cola Plus. That has like fiber in it, I think. So.
Okay. Is that everything?
That's everything.
Our first stop of the day is at Traveler's Factory at Narita Airport. If you're into stationery, you know exactly what this place is. And Pammy's been looking forward to going here ever since we began planning the trip. She's grabbing all the exclusives that she can find.
All right, we need Tokyo, Ueno, Tokyo. This one. Nope, we need the one going to Tokyo. Yep.
次はうぐいす谷、うぐいす谷、オレンジは左側です。The next station is うぐいす谷。JY6.
What do you have there?
This is the soy marinated tuna.
Soy marinated tuna. All right, let's see how it is.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah.
Recommend?
Very tender.
Very tender. Trying the seared salmon.
fatty salmon, I think.
Yeah, the seared fatty salmon.
How is it?
You need to order that one next.
Okay, good to know.
It's quite nice.
Wonderful.
I was very concerned if I was going to be able to eat the sushi here truly. I thought it just, like I said last night, it'd be licking the beach, but it's actually really not. It's really flavorful. And
I
very
told
good.
you. Yep. I said that. I knew it was going to be good.
This is actually very good. So we have this egg.
Tamago.
It's like a sweet egg.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
Finally, at our next stop at Traveler's Factory at Tokyo Station, this place is an absolute maze. Good luck to anyone wanting to find anything in this place. Our final stop in the evening is Itoya. This place is 12 floors of a stationary's dream. So if you're ever in Tokyo and you're into any crafts, writing, paper products, anything you can think of, this is your place.
All right, so I think today was a good start to our nice Japan adventure. We were starting to get used to the trains, and I think Pammy bought more than she could dream of there at the stationery. So
Maybe not everything, but a lot.
But we're looking forward to tomorrow. We're going to be going to Kokufu, which is the 100th anniversary. So I hope you tune in for that as we continue on with this video, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning from Tokyo. Today we have something very special today. We are going to the Kokufu 100th anniversary bonsai show. This show shows all of the bonsai that are from around the country, and these are the best of the best. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. You're about to see some amazing bonsai. Let's get into it. All right, well, if that was your first experience to bonsai, that was probably the best one you could get. Those are the top of the line trees that you will see in the world. So it was great going here and seeing that and experiencing all those beautiful trees. So now we're gonna grab some food and then we're really gonna let you see Japan, and we're gonna go to Akihabara Electric Town and let you see that side of Tokyo. So we saw the traditional bonsai culture, and now we're gonna go see the city life. What'd you get?
It might be a DS game, like for real. It is.
Oh, you got an actual you got an actual DS game.
I might do that again. That's cool. I don't know what this is. Not a DS game. Something else.
Oh, let's take. Oh, that wind is cold.
Oh, it's like a little. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the cat. That's so cute. It's so cute. It's a little like.
Nice.
Oh my goodness. I love it. It's not what I thought I'd get, but I love it. Okay. Good first experiences.
For lunch, we stopped at this place that does this style of dining. Is called shabu shabu, where you get vegetables and meats, and it's an all-you-can-eat, and you kind of cook your meats and your vegetables in that broth there in front of us. It was delightful. For dinner, we decided to eat at McDonald's in Akihabara. This place was a bit crowded, so we weren't able to give it a proper video review, but what we ordered was an egg cheeseburger, a chicken teriyaki burger, a teriyaki burger, shaka shaka chicken, spicy garlic nuggets, which were quite good, and Pammy enjoyed the shrimp burger for whatever reason.
All right, I just dropped Pammy off at the Capsule Hotel and I'm on my way back to our hotel in Asakusa. Pammy's gonna document her experience there at the hotel, so you don't wanna miss that. I hope you're enjoying the video so far and you're taking notes for when you plan on coming to Japan. This trip has been fun, it's been a lot, and we're both excited to be here and we're enjoying every moment. And I hope you guys are enjoying the videos as well. And stay tuned, as we'll be releasing more videos here soon. We'll see you in the next one.